Hello! Welcome back to the English Global Podcast.
Hello, everyone. I am physically here. Mentally, I am still hiding under my blanket.
Oh dear, that sounds serious. For our new listeners, I am Anna.
And I am Michael. We are here to help you practice real English conversations.
If you love learning with us, please smash that subscribe button. Be a hero and share this with a friend.
Yes, be a hero. Save a friend from boring textbooks.
So, Michael, you said you are mentally hiding under a blanket. What happened? The family reunion?
The reunion. It sounded so nice on the invitation. Cake, music, family, love.
And was there love?
There was cake. The cake was good, but the love, it was conditional.
Ah, I think I know what you mean. You look completely drained.
Drained is an understatement, Anna. I feel like a deflated balloon.
A deflated balloon. That is a great image.
Imagine sitting at a table for 5 hours. 5 hours! And every 10 minutes, someone asks, "So, Michael, why aren't you rich like your brother yet?"
No, did they actually say that?
Oh, not directly. They're too smart for that. They say things like, "Oh, look at Dave's new watch. It must be nice to have a real career."
That is so passive-aggressive.
It is! And by the end of the night, I just wanted to scream. But instead, I just ate more cake.
Emotional eating. We've all been there.
So, Anna, please help me. Before I turn into a permanent grump, tell me we can talk about this.
We definitely can. Today, we're not just talking about English, we're talking about survival.
Survival skills. I like it.
We're discussing toxic family dynamics and how to set boundaries.
Perfect. Teach me how to build a wall, Anna. A big, soundproof wall.
Okay, let's start by analyzing the players in this drama. You mention your brother, Dave.
King Dave, the legend.
Okay, so he's the one your parents praise constantly?
Constantly. If Dave breathes, my mom claps. Oh, look, Dave is breathing so successfully.
That is funny, but also painful. In psychology, we call Dave the golden child.
The golden child. It sounds shiny.
It is. It means the child who can do no wrong. The parents project all their pride onto him.
That fits him perfectly. But if he's the golden, shiny child, what am I? The rusty child?
No, not the rusty child. You are likely the black sheep.
The black sheep. I've heard this. It means the bad one, right?
Not bad. It just means the outsider, the one who's different, the one who follows a different path.
Yeah, I chose art and teaching. Dave chose business and money.
Exactly. And in some families, different is seen as wrong.
It feels terrible, Anna. When I'm there, I don't feel like a 35-year-old man.
How do you feel?
I feel like I'm 12 years old. I get nervous, I stutter. I want my mom's approval so badly.
That is a very important concept. It's called regression.
Regression? Like going backwards?
Yes, when you're in a stressful environment from your childhood, your brain regresses or goes back to old patterns.
Oh, that explains why I fight with my sister about the TV remote. We're adults, but we fight like kids.
Exactly. It's not just you, Michael. It happens to almost everyone.
That makes me feel better. I thought I was losing my mind.
You are sane, but being sane in a crazy environment is hard work.
So true. Okay, I understand the roles now. I'm the black sheep who regresses. Now, how do I stop it?
This is the most important part. We need a toolkit, a survival kit for family dinners.
Yes, what is tool number 1?
A shield? A sword?
No weapons, Michael. Tool number 1 is the gray rock method.
Gray rock? You want me to bring a rock to dinner?
No, I want you to become the rock.
Become the rock. Okay, explain.
Imagine a gray rock on the ground. Is it interesting? Does it have drama?
No, it's just a rock. It's boring.
Exactly. Toxic relatives feed on drama. They want a reaction. They want you to get angry or cry.
Oh, I see. So if I don't react, they get bored.
Precisely. Let's practice. I will be your nosy Aunt Linda.
Oh no, not Aunt Linda. Okay, I am ready. I am a rock.
In a high, annoying voice. So, Michael, are you still single? When are you going to give your mother grandchildren?
I don't know, Aunt Linda. Maybe someday.
Maybe someday. You aren't getting younger. Your cousin just had twins.
Well, good for my cousin, but I'm busy with work.
Stop. Michael, you failed. You reacted.
I couldn't help it. She's so annoying.
I know, but try again. Be boring. Give me one-word answer and change the subject to something incredibly dull.
Incredibly dull. Okay, try again.
In annoying voice. Michael, why is your job so unstable? Don't you want money?
My job is fine, Aunt Linda. Hey, have you noticed the weather? It is very humid today.
Normal voice. Clapping. Brilliant. It is very humid today. That is the perfect gray rock answer.
It felt good. I didn't defend myself. I just existed.
Exactly. You protect your energy. Now, tool number 2, the bathroom break.
Ah, my favorite strategy, hiding.
It is not hiding. It is a tactical retreat.
Tactical retreat. Sounds military.
When you feel your anger rising or you feel like you might cry, excuse yourself. Go to the bathroom.
And do what? Sit on the toilet and cry?
No, wash your hands with cold water, take 3 deep breaths, and look in the mirror and say, I am safe. I am an adult.
Reset my brain.
Yes, stay there for 5 minutes. It breaks the tension. When you come back, you are calmer.
I can do that. I can definitely do that. What about when they compare me to Dave?
That leads to tool number 3, the good for him phrase.
The good for him phrase.
Yes, when they say, Dave just bought a Ferrari, you say,
I hope he crashes it?
No, Michael, that's mean.
I'm joking.
You say, that's great for him, and you smile.
That's great for him.
Yes, it shows you are not jealous. It shuts down the comparison.
It's hard to say it and mean it.
You don't have to mean it 100%. You just have to say it. Wow, a Ferrari. Good for him. Pass the potatoes.
Pass the potatoes. I love how food is always the escape plan.
Food is a great distraction. And finally, tool number 4, the time limit.
What is that?
You control the clock. You don't have to stay until midnight.
But my mom begs me to stay. Michael, stay for coffee, stay for tea.
Before you go, you tell them, I would love to come, but I have a meeting early tomorrow, so I must leave at 8 p.m.
Set the expectation before I arrive.
Exactly. So when 8 p.m. comes, you stand up, you say goodbye, and you leave. No guilt.
That sounds liberating.
It is. You are not a prisoner, Michael. You are a guest.
I am a guest. I need to tattoo that on my arm. These tools are amazing, Anna. Gray rock, bathroom break, good for him, and time limits.
Which one will you use first?
Definitely the gray rock. I'm going to practice being the most boring person in the world.
That is the power of support. Now, Michael, we used some very powerful psychological words today.
We did. I think we should review them so our listeners can use them too.
Great idea. Let's do our vocabulary review.
Our first word is drained.
D-R-A-I-N-E-D. This is an adjective.
It means to be completely tired with no energy left, like a battery at 0%.
For example, after the meeting, I felt completely drained.
Or toxic people make me feel drained.
Exactly. Our second word is boundaries.
B-O-U-N-D-R-I-E-S. This is a noun, usually plural.
A boundary is a limit you set to protect yourself.
For example, I need to set better boundaries with my work.
Or, it is healthy to have boundaries in relationships.
Word number 3 is judgmental.
J-U-D-G-M-E-N-T-A-L.
This describes a person who criticizes others quickly.
Like Aunt Linda.
Yes, she is very judgmental about my career.
Or, stop being so judgmental.
Our next word is toxic.
T-O-X-I-C.
Toxic means poisonous. In relationships, it means someone who makes you feel bad, unsafe, or unhappy.
A toxic environment, or I ended a toxic friendship.
And our last word is regress.
R-E-G-R-E-S-S. This is a verb.
It means to go backward to an earlier state.
When I'm stressed, I regress to childish behavior.
Don't let them make you regress.
Excellent work. You mastered those definitions.
Thanks, Anna. I think I've memorized them all.
Now it's time for our question of the day.
Today's question is deep. Do you have a golden child or a black sheep in your family?
Or maybe you can answer, how do you protect your peace at family gatherings?
Do you use the gray rock method? Do you hide in the bathroom?
Please tell us in the comments. We love reading your stories.
Yes, we read every single comment. It helps us feel connected to you.
This was a heavy topic, Michael. How do you feel now?
Honestly, talking about it made me feel lighter.
I'm glad. Remember, listeners, you can't choose your family, but you can choose how you react to them.
Be kind to yourself today.
You're doing great. Keep practicing and keep setting those boundaries. Goodbye, everyone.
See you in the next video. Bye.